My name's Ben, and today we've got another beautiful 2020 Honor 20 registration Audi R8 V10 Performance Carbon Black. So that is the top of the range of this facelift and last generation of Audi R8 with an internal combustion engine. It's powered by the 5.2 litre V10 with over 600 horsepower, so they really are an incredible car, and with a V10 sound absolutely beautiful, and hopefully you'll hear that a bit later on in the video. This example has been very well looked after with a full Audi main dealer service history, and it's presented in this stunning Ascari Blue Metallic, which is very metallic when you look at it under a direct light, and trimmed in black leather throughout the cabin. We'll walk around the car and point out some of the options for you as we go around, and we'll start at the front end. And the first thing to point out is all of the black exterior bits, so the badging on the top of the bonnet here, the front grille section, and then obviously being a carbon black performance, all of the carbon fibre accessories. So the front splitter down here is all finished in beautiful carbon fibre. We've got LED headlamps with an LED daytime running light and automatic high beam assist on those headlamps as well. And then coming round the side, we've got these facelift performance wheels, so the Audi Sport logo in the wheels there, metallic grey on the inserts, and then diamond cut on the faces, and they're a very intricate design with lots of different holes and shapes everywhere you look. I think they're a fabulous looking wheel and go really nice contrast against the Ascari Blue. And then we've got the red Audi Sport carbon ceramic brakes. Obviously carbon ceramic brakes standard on a V10 Performance, but very nice to have the calipers in a contrast colour like that. The black V10 badging, carbon fibre door mirror covers, carbon fibre lower door seals, carbon side blades. It's just carbon fibre everywhere you look. It's a fabulous car. And on the inside as well, we've got all of the gloss carbon fibre interior package, so around the air vents, the illuminated door seals, the air vents in the centre, and the driver's virtual cockpit as well, all with carbon fibre trims, even down the centre console where the gear stick and navigation controls are. We've got the Recaro bucket seats with the rock grey contrast stitching, Audi Sport drop lights on the floor, and then coming around the back, being a performance, we've got the bigger sort of spoiler on the back of the car here, again finished in carbon fibre. The slightly different back end, so much bigger exhaust pipes down the bottom here in oval as per Audi sort of RS designs. Carbon fibre diffuser sections as well, and then the gloss black to the centre of the diffuser, and it is a massive diffuser on the back of the car. You've also got this sort of grille which goes all the way across the back here, which again is a lovely design. And if you just stay there a second, I will open the engine bay, because we've also got a carbon fibre engine bay as well. So it's on hydraulic rams, as you can see, just going up. And if you have a look at all of that gloss carbon surrounding the entire engine bay, even up and around the glass window that goes into the back there, and it's beautiful to be able to see that. Lights up with the LED lights at night time as well, so it looks really, really cool whenever you open that. And then that just pops down and clicks in there. And we'll jump in the driver's side and talk you through some of the interior options as well. So starting on the driver's door card, we've got the smooth Napa leather on all of the armrests and grab handles where you touch, and then a release for the sort of front, because obviously the engine's in the back, so the boot's in the front. Power folding heated door mirrors, and then importantly the comfort and sound pack, so the Bang & Olufsen sound system down in the door speakers, door grills here. Carbon fibre around the air vents, and it's really cool the way they do this to make it look like it sort of continues as one piece all the way around the driver's cockpit and around the edges here. It's a beautiful design. And then I'll turn fire the car up into life with the start button on the steering wheel. You'll probably struggle to hear it, but it does sound amazing, and hopefully you can hear it a little bit in there. And obviously being an R8, everything is controlled through the virtual cockpit in front of me. There's a couple of ways of controlling the virtual cockpit. We've got a wheel on the left hand side of the steering wheel, so I can flick up and down on this. For example, go to the full screen map. You can switch across as well, so you've got Apple CarPlay if you plug it, and Android Auto if you plug your phones in via the USB ports, and then the usual trip meters and stuff all in there. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got multimedia controls, so navigation, voice activation, volume up and down, big shift paddles on the back, and then our drive select and our performance modes on the steering wheel down here. So if I put the car into dynamic, and then you can push the performance button here, which brings up a completely different setting, and you can twist that left or right to have performance in dry, wet or snow, so it optimizes the performance of the car to suit those conditions. and I'll just pop it back into automatic on the drive select. Down behind the steering wheel on the left-hand side, we've got the cruise control stalk. It is a flat bottom steering wheel as well to make access much easier. Climate control in the centre, heated front seats for driver and passenger. Under the centre cubby hole here, we have a wireless phone charger along with the USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Auto start, stop, and then park sensors buttons down in the centre here. Our gear lever selector, which is very nice with a button on the side, very easy to use. If I pop the car into reverse, we've got a reversing camera in the virtual cockpit there as well, and parking sensors on the left-hand side of the display. Pop it back into park, and then down here is just another way of controlling that virtual cockpit. So some shortcut buttons and then a wheel to scroll through the options. Some cup holders under the centre armrest here, and then yes, just beautifully trimmed wherever you look. They're a really cool car to sit in these, and they sound amazing when you're driving them. And I'll just jump outside and summarise the car for you. So as I said at the beginning, it's a 2020 on a 20 reg, just 16,000 miles from new, finished in this beautiful colour combination and in the best spec, best model line that you can have if you like, being the Performance Carbon Black. My name's Ben, I hope the video's helped. Thank you very much for watching.